After my 10th grade, after 2004, my father, so he decided to move us to city called Pune, which is still considered as an educational hub in Maharashtra or in the entire country. So Pune, which is 10 times bigger than my town, my father sold our house in the town only for the education, and he got us to Pune.
10वी नंतर आम्हाला 10वीच्या मध्ये असं समजलं की काही आमचे मित्र कंपनीने की IITचे क्लास जर केले तर IITच्या क्लासमध्ये विद्यार्थी ला चांगल्या पदावर जाऊ शकतात, मोठी नोकरी लागू शकते. प्रत्येकला आम्ही विचारायचं तेव्हा काय व्हायचं, त्यांना कलेक्टर व्हायचं म्हणायचा. आणि त्यावेळेस लहान असल्यामुळे त्या गोष्टी काही माहीत नसायच्या. पण IIT बद्दलचं थोडं अट्रॅक्शन आमचं वाढलं आणि 10वीचे त्याचा निकाल लागल्याबरोबर आम्ही 10वीत त्याला चांगल्या पद्धतीचे मार्क मिळाले. मेरिट थोड्याने गेलं, थोडा नाराज झाला. मग बरेचसे आमच्याकडे ट्रेंड असायचे की 10वी नंतर लातूरला विद्यार्थी जायचे. मग जे मॅक्झिमम सगळे मेरिटचे विद्यार्थी लातूरला जायचे. फक्त प्रत्येकाचं आणि आम्ही असं ठरवलं की आपण पुण्याला जायचं, कारण पुण्याला IITचे क्लास जॉईन करता येतात आणि पुण्याचं शिक्षण हे चांगलं आहे.
मग आम्ही 2004ला 1 जूनला आम्ही तिथून टेम्पोनं सामान आलो. आम्ही टेम्पोतच बसून आलो सामानाच्या.
मग आम्ही घर अगोदर शिफ्ट केल्यानंतर ॲडमिशनची सोय केली आणि पुण्यामधलं आपटे शाळा ही पुण्यातली नंबर 1ची शाळा ही प्रतीकला मिळाली. दरम्यानच्या काळामध्ये प्रतीक इकडे आल्याबरोबर प्रतीकचे 2-3-4 मित्र बी इकडे आले. त्यात वसीम नावाचा एक मित्र आला, त्याला तेच शाळा मिळाली.
त्या सिच्युएशनमध्ये फक्त प्रतीक शेलार हा पुण्याला जातोय म्हणून मग माझ्या वडिलांनी पण असं डिसिजन घेतलं की नाही, तो काहीतरी वेगळं करतोय, आपणही पुण्याला जाऊ, तिथं चांगलं एज्युकेशन मिळेल. आणि त्याच्यासाठी मग त्यांनी त्यांचा निर्णय कन्फर्म केला की आपल्याला पण पुण्याला जायचं. आणि मग ऍडमिशनच्या वेळेस माझी भेट प्रतीक बरोबर झाली. प्रतीकचे वडील सोबत होते.
दोस्ती पग पग दीप जलाये त्या टाईपच्या दोघांची मैत्री झाली. इतकी, एक आंधळ आणि एक लंगड, दोघं मित्र होते. दिलीप कुमार आणि दुसरा कोणतं, तशी मैत्री आहे त्यांच्या दोघांची सध्या. आता हेवा करावा अशी मैत्री आहे दोघांत. काय जे असेल ना सिक्रेट अगोदर वसीमला माहित होते, त्याच्यानंतर मला माहित होते.
In Usmanabad we used to converse in Marathi only all the time, but here the conversation flowed in English. Everyone used to speak in English, and they used to speak with girls. So that was a cultural jerk for us. We used to get very surprised. How do they do it?
अशा बरेच फर्स्ट टाइम गोष्टी होत्या ज्या आम्ही सोबत केल्या. जसं मॅकडीचं बर्गर असेल, KFCचं चिकन असेल किंवा दुर्गाची कॉफी असेल. बऱ्याच ठिकाणी आम्ही सोबत जाऊन गोष्टी एक्सप्लोर करायचो, ट्राय करायचो.
Some of the guys, they started preparation for IITs since 8th grade, and because of these differences we found it difficult to cope up with the competition, and we started to feel inferior in studies, and we started to feel little behind.
पुण्यामध्ये असल्यानंतर प्रत्येकला इतर करिक्युलमची थोडी आवड लागली. वाचन झाले, माहिती मिळत गेली, लायब्ररीमध्ये तो जाऊ लागला आणि अशा गोष्टीतून त्याला थोडं ज्ञान वाढत गेलं. त्याचबरोबर हळूहळू त्याला नाटक, संगीत याच्यामध्ये थोडी आवड निर्माण झाली. नाटकामध्ये कॉलेजचे नाटकं त्याने उत्कृष्ट अशा नाटकं तयार केली, नाटकामध्ये भाग घेतला आणि ही आवड त्याची वाढत गेली हळूहळू.
I remember in 2004 when I visited first time multiplex in Pune, huge building, and there were 5-6 cinemas within a building, and it was a completely new concept for me, and I was mesmerized with the lavishness of the building and the number of cinemas were there in the building. It was such beautiful concept or beautiful experience. I entered in the screen. There was no balcony. I saw first film, the Indian superstar Hrithik Roshan's film called Lakshya. It was such a beautiful, and considering our circumstances with the studies, I found escapism through movies. So I began to explore or watch movies in the multiplex almost every other day. And that's how I found my nirvana with movies. I just began to watch movies after movies. And also I explored the culturally rich background of Pune city through stage production, theaters. So I was completely engaged with all these cultural activities and the movie activities. Of course, it began to affect studies and I began to lose interest in studies. As a result, I could not make into IITs, which was a shock in my family. I still remember feeling of disappointment on my father's face, that feeling I had sold my house for studies of my children and the dream which he saw in me. So I had to settle with a very mediocre engineering college. It was just a craze in that particular time in Indian society. We had only two options, either go to engineering or go to medicine. There was no third option. So everyone was following this trend and no one used to be asked what the particular person or boy, girl wants to be in her life, in his life. So I had to settle with that option for the engineering college. At the same time, I became part of a film group called Spandan Parivar Cinema Movement. So it was not a film group, it was a movement for a cinema founded by the charismatic leader called Amarjit Amle. Extremely charismatic person. He himself was coming from lower strata of the society and he was just passionate about movies. His mission was to grow and nurture talent from lower strata of the community, lower socioeconomic background of the community, and develop them to fulfill their aspiration career in film industry, in movies.
सिनेमा कोई करना चाहे करियर तो कहा जाता है गॉडफादर चाहिए होता है, तो हमारा मानना है कि कोई ज़रूरत नहीं गॉडफादर की, आपको गुडफादर की ज़रूरत है। तो वो वैसा माहौल देना उस बंदे को, ये स्पंदन ने किया है।
दरम्यानच्या काळामध्ये प्रत्येक नाटकामध्ये सुद्धा भाग घ्यायला चालू केली त्यांनी, प्रोफेशनल नाटकामध्ये त्यांना भाग घ्यायला चालू केले। मग प्रत्येक उशिरा घरी यायचा, मग विरोध करायचा मी त्यांना की एवढा उशीर का करतो। आमच्या वडिलापासून असे होते संध्याकाळी घरी 7 ते 8 पर्यंत घरी येणं आवश्यक आहे। रात्रीची वेळ पालकांना काळजी वाटते, आपले पाल्य कुठं गेलेला आहे, कधी येतोय, हे ट्रॅफिक आहे आणि ह्या सगळ्यामुळे चिंता वाटायची। म्हणून आम्ही प्रत्येकाला सांगायचं दररोज सकाळी 7-8 वाजे, रात्रीच्या 7-8 वाजेपर्यंत घरी यायलाच पाहिजे। पण तो 11, 10:30, 11 पर्यंत दररोज उशिरा यायचा घरी तो, त्याच्यामुळे आम्हाला चिंता वाटायची। मग मी सतत त्यांचे आमचे भांडण सुरू होते, मी त्याला नाटकापासून दूर राहा, आलिप्त राहा म्हणून सांगायचो आणि ह्या गोष्टी तू सोडून दे, आधी आपलं इंजिनिअरिंग कर, त्याच्यामध्ये करिअर काही नाहीये।
We were not allowed to dream to be part of the film industry with the help, with whatever the cultural mind set or conditioning the entire society had. So it was like the career into movies is not for us at all. The career into movies, the Hindi, especially in the Hindi movies, is for the guys who come from silver spoon, the golden spoon.
आणि स्पंदनच्या नाद सोडून दे, स्पंदन सोडून दे, स्पंदनच्या नादी लागू नको, स्पंदनमुळे आपलं काय भलं होणार नाही, हे सतत माझ्या मनामध्ये खटकायचं। आम्ही दोघांनी पण त्याला ते सांगायचं, पण प्रत्येकचा जो काय त्याची आवड होती तो स्पंदनकडेच त्याची आवड असायची।
But this gentleman Amarjit Amle, he comes and he used to deliver these crazy speeches, and he used to inspire and ignite us to follow our heart and to train and nurture and groom us to fulfill our dreams, whatever we are dreaming, whatever we are thinking about ourselves. and it was just not a marketing gimmick. He literally developed and sent couple of the members from the Spandan family to London Film School and to New York Film School and Film and Television Institute of India, FTI, which is in Pune. People who came from literally from slum.
तो आम्हाला समजून सांगायचा प्रयत्न करायचा, नाही मी अभ्यास करतो, हे पण करतो, ते पण करतो, पण आम्ही त्याला कधी त्याला पाठिंबा दिला नाही त्याला.
He comes from a different mindset, and I was introduced to a such world which I started to feel passionate about, and I was so scared just to tell the things about my aspiration to him, and there was no question to discuss all these things to him. And after especially failing on his dreams, so I was this guy who used to score more than 90% until 10th grade, and now in the first year of engineering, I was actively involved in filmmaking activities with Spandan.
दरम्यानच्या काळामध्ये नंतर त्यानं हिंदी सिनेमा स्पंदन मार्फत एक लॉन्च झाला आणि त्या पिक्चरमध्ये पण माझं सिलेक्शन होणं म्हणून सांगितलं.
During that time, I got opportunity to audition for a Hindi language film called Humne Jeena Seekh Liya, and I was selected. The film was under production with the help of Spandan Parivar Cinema Movement and Amajit Amle. So I just auditioned. I didn't even know, but fortunately they liked my skills and they selected me for the film.
सिनेमामध्ये गेल्यानंतर आम्ही सिनेमाला पण आमचा घरच्यांचा सर्वचा विरोध होता, कारण सिनेमा एवढ्या लवकर सिनेमा करणं गरजेचं नाही. एकदा सिनेमाची सवय लागली तर याला इंजिनिअरिंग करणं शक्य होणार नाही ही आम्हाला असं वाटायचं.
And he ordered me, not told me, he ordered me not to involve in this activity at all and maintain all my focus on studies. And that's the thing. But until that time, I had already went ahead with all the agreements and the contracts, so I did not listen to my father, and so my first rebellious step towards my father began from that moment.
और ये है हमारा लास्ट मैन सलमान सब्जी वाला, हर दम भागते रहता है, फिर भी लेट, इसीलिए सल्यूट ढक्कन. आ गया तू? तो आइए, हमारी पाठशाला में आपका स्वागत है.
उसे एक बार हाथ आ गए तो ऐसी धुलाई करत है.
नहीं रे, अब उसे क्या फर्क पड़ता है, 2 जाओ या 10 जाओ, सब पे भारी पड़ेगी वो. बहुत मजा आता होगा ना, क्या पता, मगर लाइन तो बड़ी लंबी लगती थी.
तू गया है क्या कभी?
मन तो बहुत हुआ यार. साली नीचे से धोती बांधती है, कसी चोली, चाल मत वाली, इधर भटकना मत माँ बोली.
एकदा तर त्यानं मला असं बोलावलं की बाबा आपण जरा बोलायचं आहे मला, तुम्ही या म्हणला. आणि मग आम्ही पु ल देशपांडे उद्यानामध्ये मला बोलावलं. मी ऑफिसमधून आलो आणि तू तिकडून आला. मी म्हणलं आता हे काय बोलतोय, मला काय वाटलं की ह्याचं मुलीशी कुठल्या प्रेम आहे का काय ह्या संदर्भात बोलणार आहे काही की. मग आम्ही एकत्र आलो तर तो सांगायला लागला की स्पंदन ग्रुप छान आहे आणि मला इकडचंच आवड आहे, मला इंजिनिअरिंगमध्ये इंटरेस्ट नाही, मी चुकून इंजिनिअरिंगला आलेलो आहे आणि मला फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीचीच मला पुढं करिअर करायचं आहे, अशा गोष्टी सांगून त्यानं सांगितलं. मी तेव्हासुद्धा त्याला सांगितलं ती ठीक आहे, तुझं करिअर जिथं आहे तिथं कर, पण अगोदर इंजिनिअरिंग पूर्ण करून घे. इंजिनिअरिंग पूर्ण झाल्यानंतर तुला तुझं फील्ड कुठलंही मोकळं आहे, तू फिल्म इंडस्ट्री कर किंवा जॉब कर किंवा काही कर, अशा सगळ्या गोष्टी पण त्याला आम्ही सांगितलं. मग त्यानं तयार झालं की मी आधी इंजिनिअरिंग पूर्ण करतो आणि मग माझं क्षेत्र पाहतो.
I liked everything about being in that process. Each and everything, because I was part of the Spandan family and the film was produced by the Spandan members. So I was not only part of the shooting process, but I began to learn my lessons from all aspects of the filmmaking, starting from the work as a spot boy. I also worked for that film as a spot boy, to production department, and of course a shoot, and assistant to the assistant directors. So all this part of the creative process, of the production process, I was involved in, and that's how my lessons for the film making or the film business began from there. I used to get exhausted after the shooting process, and it was very difficult to focus on the studies. And as a result, first year of engineering, in one of the subject, I failed. And that was a black day in my family. Huge drama, huge fight took place in between me and my father. And it was very difficult for my mother, because on her part, it was difficult either to support her husband or her son. So my mother had to go through all this difficult period. But that day, my father, it was a huge fight. Again, the same thing. I sold the house. My friends are laughing at me because of these nonsensical decisions, and you are now going and working in the movies, and you failed. You are a failure. What was my expectation and dream about you, and what you're doing? The guy who used to be so studious and who used to score more than 90%, and this guy is failed now. And you just destroyed my life. What I thought of you and what you have become, you destroyed everything. And I was 18 years old that time, 17, 18. And so that moment you don't realize, you don't understand. But it was a huge emotional setback for me also. And that was the time, the relationship between me and my father, there was a big crack in between our relationship. I continued my work in movies, and I was later involved in more than 50-60 short films in every aspect of the filmmaking part.
I heard the crash on the highway, but I didn't hear nobody pray. Nobody pray.
You seems to be a dead fan of Roy Acker.
Yeah. He was the God's man.
Absent-minded old maid who, when she went to make a cup of tea, put the kettle on the armchair. Chairman of Kings Park, Long Island, will begin their annual fair today. The fire department has built a miniature railroad for the children. It's called the Fireball Express.
चाहे कोई मुझे जंगली कहे, कहने दो जी कहता रहे, हम प्यार के तूफानों में घिरे हैं, हम क्या करें, चाहे कोई मुझे जंगली कहे.
And I also managed to finish my engineering studies in 4 years.
इंजिनिअरिंग कॉलेज थोडं रडत केलं तरी पण त्याला फर्स्ट क्लास मात्र इंजिनिअरिंग कॉलेजला मिळाला. आणि इंजिनिअरिंग कॉलेजला फर्स्ट क्लास मिळाल्यानंतर त्याला जॉब पण चांगला मिळाला. इंजिनिअरिंग कॉलेजमधूनच त्याला इंटरव्ह्यू दिल्यानंतर त्याला जॉब मिळून गेला त्याला, आणि HCL कंपनीमध्ये जॉब मिळाला. परंतु त्याला जॉब करायची इच्छा नव्हती, त्याला पुढचं शिक्षण घ्यायचं होतं.
So I managed to finish engineering, and then the moment came that I again told my parents I don't want to Now I'm thinking to be an actor, and I'm thinking to pursue my acting studies, and I want to go to acting school, which is a National School of Drama, which is in Delhi, or to join Film and Television Institute in acting department.
अनेकदा सिनेमामध्ये गेला की माणूस तिकडचा वेडा होतो आणि सिनेमातून कित्येक लोकांचं चांगलं झालेलं असं नाही. 1 लाखामध्ये एखादा शाहरुख खान तयार होतो, सलमान खान तयार होतो, हे अशी आमची भावना.
This time the Third World War took place. My father literally he threatened me to end his life if I continue on further this road. So it was very emotional, blackmailing thing. And again the same thing. I sold my house for you, and you completely ruined my life, and you're doing something different. We had to settle with a middle option, and because I never wanted to continue with engineering studies as I was not interested in. So I proposed him that I'll do Masters of Business Administration, MBA. My plan was to study MBA and marketing in MBA, and then go and join a film production house in marketing department, and then find my further jobs towards filmmaking and acting. So we settled on that, and I gave examinations to study MBA, and I finally narrowed down option of one institute in Pune only to pursue MBA.
दरम्यानच्या काळामध्ये त्यांना ते PICT हे कॉलेज, त्या PICT कॉलेजमध्ये ॲडमिशन घेतलं. तर PICT कॉलेजची खासियत अशी होती, 1 वर्ष PICT मध्ये कॉलेजला क्लास करायचे आणि 1 वर्ष लंडनला क्लास करायचे, असं त्यांचं लंडनच्या कॉलेजचे टाईप होतं.
By taking admission into that institute, I can get opportunity to go to UK, which will help my father, which will help me to feel my father proud about myself, and which can repair the cracks in between our relationship also. So now, as an Indian kid, when you are growing up in India, your exposure to Britishers, it comes through first studies in the history. Our history is full of Indian independence struggle movement, how the British have done so many atrocities towards Indian, and how the freedom fighter lost their lives against British. So as a kid growing in India, we grow up with a negative sentiments with British society. And also not only that, because there was more than 200 years of British rule in India, differences in the skin color, Indian society used to serve British. So the feeling of inferiority complex, subconsciously it was also growing, and we don't know that it is right, wrong when we were growing, but it was there through studies, and then after that through movies, and then through media. Movies like Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. These kind of movies, they create a different image of Western world, as if everything is hunky-dory and everything is heavenly kind of world out there in the Western part of the world, and everything is equivalent to greatness. So these kind of images I have had while growing up about the UK or US.
Every batch, there's always 1 or 2 people who are different from the rest of the batch. It often happens in some way or the other. And in the case of Pratik, for example, right from the beginning, we felt that here is a young man who is different from the other students in terms of what he wants to achieve, what he wants to work on, what are his expectations from the MBA program. So we felt that there's a difference right from the beginning. Of course, at that point of time, we were looking more to see whether Pratik would fit into our MBA program or not. That was the idea at the time of admission. And he did well, and he was given admission, and he joined the MBA program.
पण त्याच्यामध्ये एक प्रॉब्लेम होता, कारण MBA मध्ये मी त्याच्यासोबत नसणार होतो. सो ती जर्नी त्याला एकट्याला पूर्ण करायची होती.
So in 2011, I got admission into that institute after finishing my engineering studies in 2010. And that's the place where I met first love of my life. So I was barely 21 that time, 21, 22, and I still remember that day.